Eto na naman po tayo sa ating reviewer. Aside from the locking of wheels, what is the purpose of the anti-lock braking system? Letter A, to avoid skimming. Letter B, to avoid speeding. Letter C, to avoid overheating. Or letter D, to avoid skidding. Bago ang sagot, shoutout muna tayo kay Aquarius Datulaita ng Barangay Katalikanan, Alyosan, kay Leo Abanto ng Aplaya, Bawan, Batangas City, kay Gina Briones Coloma ng San Jose, Tarlac, at kay Elmer Casas ng Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So the answer is letter D, to avoid skidding. Kasi po ang main purpose ng anti-lock braking system para mapigilan ang mga gulong from locking up during hard braking, lalong-lalo na kung madulas ang daan, and to avoid skidding. Under heavy braking, especially sa slippery roads, yung mga gulong po natin pwedeng mawala ng traction and mag-lock up. So mag-caution ng mag-skid at mawalan ng control. So ang end result, tayo ay maaaring madisgrasya.